Looking for the best Honda Pilot years to buy used? Before you spend $1, you need to know this. Not every Honda Pilot is built the same. Some years will run past 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Others can drain your wallet fast. In this video, we're revealing the best years Honda Pilot buyers should target, the ones to avoid, and which used models deliver the most reliability for your money. Let's get into the best and worst of the Honda Pilot.
Number 10. 2013 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 79 out of 100. The Honda Pilot has been around since 2003, meaning it has been on the road for over 20 years, so even being the 10th most reliable model year is an impressive feat. The 2013 Pilot was one of the later second-generation models and benefited from a facelift along with a bunch of tech upgrades earlier models lacked. It is among some of the best used Hondas you can buy. The 2013 model year of the Honda Pilot just borders the great category on J.D. Power, with a score of 79 out of 100 for quality and reliability. For an SUV that is over a decade old, maintenance costs are relatively high, with RepairPal estimating annual maintenance costs to be higher on average for the nameplate. Number 9. 2023 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 80 out of 100. The 2023 Honda Pilot is a fairly new model year, living up to the reliability of some of the nameplate's top models. It is the first model for the newest fourth-generation Honda Pilot and comes loaded with all the modern tech that you would expect. This doesn't hold it back in terms of reliability, though. Reliability scores for cars as new as the 2023 Honda Pilot are largely a prediction based on limited data and the reliability of older and related models. That being said, there are very few owners who have reported experiencing major mechanical issues. Only time will tell if it truly holds up, though. Be aware that there are some critical recalls out for this model. Number 8. 2012 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 80 out of 100. Coming from the same generation as the 2013 model year, the 2012 has very similar levels of reliability. However, this model year didn't come with the tech that would be added in 2013. Most of this tech was related to the infotainment system and climate control system, as well as the addition of a backup camera. As the mechanical parts would have been identical, it is no surprise that the 2012 model year and the 2013 model year have such similar reliability ratings. The 2012 edges ahead slightly, just managing to sit in the great category. A large number of recalls were issued due to airbag faults.
Number 7. 2024 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 80 out of 100. From 2023 to 2024, Honda has made very few changes to the Pilot, with everything carrying over. It is no surprise then that the 2024 model matches the reliability of the slightly older model. While not quite as reliable as the top model years, the newest Pilot still manages to keep pace. All of its modern technology doesn't seem to hold the 2024 model year back too much, with it sitting just within the great category for quality and reliability on J.D. Power. There are 3 major recalls for the 2024 model, however, that need to be addressed, with issues affecting seat fasteners, the steering rack, and the fuel system. Number 6. 2010 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 80 out of 100. The 2010 Honda Pilot is an early model from the second generation of the SUV. It remains pretty unchanged from the 2009 model. While fairly basic, it came with a lot of equipment that helps it remain a relevant option for used buyers today. Its sturdy V6 is also likely to keep chugging for some time. The 2010 Honda Pilot may be a little old for some, but it is pretty reliable if you're looking for a super affordable option on the used market. The 10 recalls that have been issued for this model year may be alarming, but 9 of them are for airbag systems, which is pretty common on any vehicle this age. Number 5. 2022 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 81 out of 100. If you're looking for a pretty modern used car, the 2022 Honda Pilot is a great choice. It was the last model year for the third generation of the SUV, and benefited from all the changes made over the years. It received a facelift, comes with the 9-speed automatic instead of the 6-speed, and you can even get an adventurous 2022 Trail Sport. There are only 2 model years from the third generation that score higher than 80 out of 100 for quality and reliability, and the 2022 model is one of them. 3 recalls were issued for this model year, with 1 due to faulty airbags, 1 for a fault with the hydraulic brake system, and the last being for the backup camera. Number 4. 2018 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 82 out of 100. The only other third-generation Honda Pilot on this list, the 2018 model year, scores slightly higher than the 2022 model. It doesn't come with the facelifted styling of the newer model or the other features added from 2019 onwards, but it does at least have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which was added in 2017. The 2018 model year of the Honda Pilot is pretty well styled and advanced for an SUV that is slowly approaching a decade old. It manages to remain reliable despite its modern tech, ranking pretty highly for a midsize SUV of its era. It is also one of the most affordable model years to maintain. Be aware, though, 2 of the recalls out for this model are for serious engine faults. Number 3. 2007 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 83 out of 100. As one of the oldest Honda Pilots, the 2007 model year helps prove that older cars are usually more reliable than their newer counterparts. The 2007 model is the first-generation Honda Pilot. It was pretty impressive for its time, with brand-new tech like drive-by-wire throttle control. Simplicity and reliability go hand in hand, hence why one of the oldest Honda Pilots is also one of the most reliable models you can get your hands on. It is also, on average, one of the more affordable Pilots to own. All 6 recalls for this model year are related to airbag faults. Number 2. 2014 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 84 out of 100. It seems that the second-generation Honda Pilot has some of the nameplate's most reliable models. The 2014 model was one of the last Pilots from this generation, benefiting from multiple years of refinement. Thanks to its well-rounded package, it is one of the best 10-year-old SUVs you can buy. The one trend that we've noticed while compiling this list is that second-generation Pilots seem to be, on average, more expensive to maintain. This trend continues with the 2014 model year. There are 3 recalls listed for the 2014 Pilot, with all of them being airbag-related. Number 1. 2008 Honda Pilot. Reliability score, 85 out of 100. Jumping back to the first generation of the Pilot, the highest-rated model comes from 2008. This was the last model year of the first generation, benefiting from all the changes Honda made since the 2003 model. This includes a facelift in 2006, which brought in some of the best tech of the era. While the 2008 model is the highest-rated Pilot for reliability, be aware that there were issues with the VCM system that involved a class action lawsuit. That being said, many long-term owners are super satisfied with this SUV. There are 7 recalls for this model, with all of them being related to airbag faults. Alright, that's the breakdown. The Honda Pilot is a legend for a reason, but you've got to be smart about the year you choose.